All right, Ryan, if you've enjoyed the last few days, we've got a cool down coming again.
Yes, and it's not going to be as dramatic as it was last week, but today actually felt pretty nice.
Yeah.
We got a little bit warmer than I thought we would too. We got to 38 in Portland. The average high this time of the year is 32. In Bangor, we just cracked the freezing mark at 33. The average there is 28 for this day. Right now we're 29 in Bangor, 28 in Waterville. We do have some teens in the mountains. Rangeley is at 18. And Portsmouth right now is 30. There are a few scattered snow showers, mainly over far eastern Maine, and some snow showers developing off the coastline. So there may be a brief flurry that's coming through places like Cape Elizabeth or Prout's Neck, but most of that action's moving offshore. A few more flurries up around Dexter and Harmony at this point, but nothing that's all that heavy at all. As we look off to the west, there is colder air, and that's what's going to be coming in tomorrow. And as it comes in tomorrow, there will be a gusty wind. But fortunately, I don't think it will be windy all week. It's really just one day where the wind will be a little annoying, and that's tomorrow. So overnight tonight, clouds remain in place for a while, some flurries and snow showers in the mountains. But toward tomorrow morning, we should start to clear the sky out a bit. Temperatures drop to between 15 and 20 for most of us. There will be some single digits, though, up in the mountains. Then during the day tomorrow, sky becomes mostly sunny, except if you're in the mountains in far north and perhaps down east. Clouds will linger a bit longer there tomorrow. But the sun just doesn't do much for our temperatures. We'll only get into the low and mid 20s in most of central and southern Maine. Perhaps we get close to 30 from Portland down to Portsmouth, but most of us will be spending the day in the 20s. Teens up in the mountains, and then when you factor in that wind, 10 to 20 miles per hour, at times gusting to 30, during the warmest part of the day, or what should be tomorrow, the wind chill will only be in the teens for most of us and single digits below zero up in the mountains. So that wind will have a bite to it tomorrow. But it does relax for Thursday and Friday. The breeze kicks up a bit over the weekend, but that actually will bring in some milder air. We'll be back above freezing on Saturday. So a cold day, but a lighter wind on Thursday, so not all that bad. Partly to mostly sunny on Friday. And then over the weekend, this front approaches on Saturday. The morning hours should be dry, but we'll have a chance for showers in the afternoon and evening. As I mentioned, though, the wind's coming in out of the south, so that's bringing in some warmer air. We may have rain showers at the coast, but I think it should be cold enough for snow showers in the foothills and mountains second half of the day on Saturday. Once this front goes by, all eyes will turn down the coast to see whether or not a storm forms on it and where exactly it goes. I think Sunday is likely going to be a dry day, but this storm may come up the coast on Monday and give us a chance for some snow. You can see right here, though, we're kind of on the edge of it, so we'll just have to see how it evolves over the next few days, but Monday, we at least have the chance for some snow. Behind this, by the way, it is going to turn very cold for the middle of next week. The coldest air we've had so far this season, I think, moves in on Tuesday. Seas tomorrow will be running 3 to 5 feet. Small craft advisory is up on the water. So cold, blustery tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 20s, but factoring in the wind, it feels like the teens. Temperatures Thursday morning will be in the single digits for lows. We get back into the 20s Thursday afternoon, and with less wind, it won't be quite as bad Thursday afternoon. Mostly sunny Friday, some rain and snow showers Saturday, especially in the afternoon and evening. Sunday should be dry. We'll keep an eye on Monday, but whatever that storm does, whether it hits us or not, it's going to drag down some really cold air for the middle of next week. Tuesday, forecast high 18. That's on the coast. Inland would be even colder than that. So that looks like some of the coldest air we've had so far this winter, middle of next week.
A fair heads up.
Yes,
we know it's coming.
Yeah, whether we get the storm or not, it looks cold after it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ryan, thank
You're
you.
welcome.